My people, una never hear the latest. Hey, una never hear the latest. Una never hear what dey happen right now for inside Abulegba. If you never hear, you travel. If you never hear, you travel. You must tell me where you travel to. According to the information when me and the hear for ground, I saw the screenshot myself. That Black Widow grabbed an interview. That she's going to do a DNA test with his son. First of all, he go apply for court. Say because they swap picking for hospital, my people. So she now want to do a DNA with his son. When he born, when he claims say na Mohbad na he get him, she want to go and do DNA with the baby. That means she not dey sure if na she born the pikin first of all. That one na number one. Then number two, if una remember Karimo said something, because all of una know say this case I follow from the beginning to the ending. I must see the damn because the day I see Mohbad neck break for that coffee, I say no, something is wrong somewhere. Don't they bury a person like this? If sister don't talk and say that they swap picking for hospital, so maybe if DNA test did not come the way we want her, maybe this picking they swap and so not be his sister fault. That one and that one there for grant. People can say, what did this woman they talk? It is suspicious. We can't leave her. We not talk. Secondly, they listen to me. Oh. Secondly, Wunmi told us saying born picking for native doctor. As I don't remember, Alalagba, I tell you speaker for Yoruba. She said she did not born for hospital. So how now, woman will not born for hospital? How they can't swap your picking for hospital? Make una watch this video. Now, for a Yoruba tradition, if somebody born for Nigeria, forget people with their abroad, if you did Nigeria, and your father, they close, they go carry placenta give papa. Black Widow did not carry placenta give papa. Who he carry placenta give? Answer yourself question. I bet watch the video to the end. There's more to this story. But if you never subscribe to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe. If you subscribe already, I say thank you. Don't forget to put on your notification bell for more updates. If you watch us on Facebook, press the button that said follow, share, comment, and like. And I'll definitely see you guys on my next video. Thank you.
So, I came across this news saying Wunmi Mohbad to claim that her baby was switched if DNA did not match. 5 seconds silence for Wunmi if this is true. I think I can't believe this. I cannot believe this. But I came across this news in this blog and I was just wondering, who is advising this woman? Let's assume this is true. Because me, I tend to doubt this. But if this is true, that you are saying that if DNA did not match, it's going to be like a case of you saying your baby was switched. I think you are just knocking at your door like you just want to go to prison. That's what I can say here. How can anybody reason in that manner? First of all, let's look at it this way. Have there been any time since the pie of your husband, have there been any time anybody has insinuated in this manner or say something in this manner before? Let me tell you, it has never happened. You never thought of it. If anybody is advising this, then the person is their worst enemy, Wunmi. If this is true, which I tend to doubt. If anybody is advising you to do this, just know that the person is your worst enemy. Because there is no way you will say this if it turns out to be negative. It's going to be a problem. You are just knocking at your door. You're just knocking to get into prison. Because that will be done with immediate effect. Who can anybody deceive with this? For what reason? Why should anybody even think in this direction? This is the most, in fact, well, until then, let's watch out to see. Let's watch out to see. But it's just that some of you, I don't understand who is even behind you people's advice that you would tend to think in this direction. That if your DNA is being run now and it turns out to be negative, that it's not in your favor, you are going to say your baby was switched. No. Who will believe this? Who will believe you? If anything happens that such statement is made from you, if it turns out this way, from that moment, do you know what people will insinuate? They will insinuate directly that, oh, this is the reason why something happens to your husband. People will immediately say, okay, maybe it's because of the fact that the man realized that the baby was not his, and that was why he was spy. So my dear, please, I tend to doubt this, but if this is true, please have a rethink. Change your advisors, change your ambassadors, your lawyers, because a lot of times it's even those confused set of people that think they are too smart. They will advise you the wrong way. So if this is true, please change your lawyers, change your advisors. Don't fall for this. Do the needful. If it turns out not to be true, you're not the first woman. It's just that your own case is peculiar and it's going to be a big problem. I just wish you all the best. But for this, run away from it. Don't come up with that. Peace and love, everyone.
My people, when I never hear something, make I give una letters. Wunmi, wey be Mohbad girlfriend, she don't apply for court. Say she too, she won't do DNA with Liam. She won't use herself to do DNA with Liam. Wunmi, you don't need to apply now. Go do your own DNA with your son. Don't be your hand the pikin day. Go do DNA with you and your pikin now. Waiting they dey. They say Wunmi don't they talk and when I know say last year, I hear her when she talk say now for Alagbo house she born the boy. Say we they shout for DNA. Say we know maybe they even exchange the boy. She ain't us that time. I hear them now. If you remember, if you they follow justice for Mohbad, you go hear her from Wunmi. Last year now she talk this thing. Now she can't come out now. They apply for court say she won't do DNA between she and Liam. Wunmi won't claim for us say they don't change this boy for Alagbo house. When I know waiting they call Alagbo, for those of now we don't know Alagbo, when I know those other women will be say people they go born for their place. She said that there she born the boy. A celebrity. Mohbad will be celebrity. No girl where he go born pikin na Alagbo house. Now he carry pikin go, they go born pikin diabi. Now the wife they claim say she too she want to do DNA with the boy. Say because na Alagbo house she born the boy. Say they fit change the boy. Hey, Wunmi, nobody they born boy. We go carry boy give you change pikin. They know they change anything like that. Wunmi, Liam na boy, na you born na. When I say crazy things they happen, it they happen inside this justice for Mohbad. No be small. Wunmi, if not like that, say you won't claim say na Alagbo house you born this boy. Say they don't change them. Jeje carry yourself, come off Aloba family, come out yourself inside this Mohbad royalty. Jeje.
Si almo se anti justice láti máa lo opportunity yẹn láti máa rí ọ̀rọ̀ sọ síta. So mo wá ń sọ fún gbogbo ìjókòó báyìí fún gbogbo àwọn tó ń gbọ́ mi tí ń bá ṣe mistake. We are close to 500. We are more than 400 now. Tí à ń gbọ́ kónílé kó sọ fún toko pé iṣẹ́ tí bàbá Shittu ń ṣe, Sam Shittu tó ń ṣe, ó tẹ́ mi lọ́rùn. Torí pé èmi rílé mo ríta. Kìdẹ́ ṣe gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ ni mo lè wá máa sọ lórí afẹ́fẹ́ torí àwọn anti-justice yìí wọ́n ń lo àwọn tó bá gbọ́ lẹ́nu wa fún wa. That is the reason. Kì í ṣe gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ ni mo lè máa sọ. Tí bá dẹ̀ ti parí ètò yìí, màá pe ìránṣẹ́ yẹn Bukky Jesse láti ṣe àwọn àtúnṣe kọ̀ọ̀kan. Anytime tí wọ́n bá bẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ nípa agbẹjọ́rò mi, kàn pè mí. Ìwọ̀nba tí n bá lè sọ fún wọn ní ohun tí wọ́n bá ní kí n sọ síta, màá sọ fún wọn. Gbogbo wọn náà á dẹ̀ fetí gbọ́. Ṣùgbọ́n mo ti ń sọ fún yín títí di àkókò yìí, iṣẹ́ tí wọ́n ṣe ó tẹ́ mi lọ́rùn. Èyí tó tún wá jọmọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ lélẹ́yìí tí gbogbo ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ènìyàn ti ń kí mi kú oríire ní àná. Mo wá ń wò pé irú oríire wo ni wọ́n ní ti DNA yìí ni. Fine. Ohun tí mo fẹ́ ṣe ní ti DNA ni wípé irú DNA tí a fẹ́ ṣe DNA tí a fẹ́ ṣe ló jẹ́ kí n rọ agbẹjọ́rò pé ẹ jọ̀wọ́ ẹ bá wa ṣe kó bọ́ sí ti fẹ́. Ẹ ti rí pé ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ complain ló ti wà nípa wọn ní body decompose. So la fẹ́ ṣe eléyìí tó yàtọ̀ tí ò dẹ̀ sí ní orílẹ̀-èdè yìí ló jẹ́ ká gbé lọ sí òkè òkun. A dẹ̀ dúpẹ́ fọlọ́run pé wọ́n fi àṣẹ sí pé ká ṣe nílẹ̀ yìí àti òkè òkun níbi tó bá wù wá tó jẹ́ tó di mímọ̀ fún gbogbo àgbáyé, well recognized. Wọn ò dictate fún wa, mo dẹ̀ fẹ́ kẹ́ gbọ́ àgbọ́yé yẹn. So ohun tí ó fà á tí mo fi ń dúró lórí DNA yìí ni wípé ká lè ṣe àwẹ̀ mọ́ fún ọmọ yìí torí ọ̀la, ká lè gbé àwẹ̀ mọ́ torí ìgbé ayé tí ọmọ yẹn máa padà gbé. Mo dẹ̀ ń sọ fún gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń gbọ́ mi, ayọ̀ ló máa jẹ́ fèmí tó bá jẹ́ pé ọmọ mi ni, torí nǹkan ẹni dín méjì kíyàn bínú, ayọ̀ ló máa jẹ́ fún mi. So kí gbogbo wa ká fọkàn balẹ̀ much nípa ẹ̀. Tí CTC bá jáde lórí DNA máa wá síta láti ṣàlàyé lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀ fún gbogbo wa. So mo dẹ̀ fi àkókò yìí rọ gbogbo àwọn tí Ọlọ́run ń lò fún mi, people like critical thinker and a lot of them tí mi ní máa dárúkọ, pé ẹ jọ̀wọ́ tó bá níbi tí mo gbà ṣe ẹnikẹ́ni wa, èmi rọ̀ wá pé kí ẹ má bínú, torí pé títí di àkókò yìí èèyàn ló ń bẹ lẹ́yìn orò tí orò fi ń ké o. Ẹ̀yin náà ni mò ń rí tí mo fi ń ṣakọ, torí pé tí ò bá sí ẹ̀yin àti gbogbo àwọn tó ń pariwo, ọ̀rọ̀ mélòó mo fẹ́ sọ á ti sún Olúwa ẹ̀. Ṣùgbọ́n fún orí ọ̀fẹ́ tí gbogbo yín fi ń tẹ̀lé mi pé bàbá yín wá justice, a lè gbọ́dọ̀ dúró tì í. Mo gbà á ládùúrà gbogbo etí tó ń gbọ́ mi àti gbogbo àwọn tó dúró tì mí, ayọ̀ lẹ máa fi gbà á. Mo ń fi àkókò yìí sọ fún wa pé mi ò ní ẹnikẹ́ni sínú, ṣùgbọ́n mo kàn jẹ́ èèyàn kan tó yẹ pé ohun tí n bá rí wípé ó sì ń tẹ́ mi lọ́rùn, màá jẹ́ kí ẹ mọ̀ pé ohun tí mo fẹ́ leléyìí. Ẹ jọ̀wọ́ mo rọ̀ wá wípé ká má jẹ́ kí àwọn anti-justice yìí kàn fi àwọn kan báyìí wo àárín wa, torí mo ti ń rí òye wọn ní tí ògiri ò bá lanu aláǹgbá ò kì í wọbẹ̀. Jésù tí èmi mọ̀ nípa ẹ̀ tí mo dẹ̀ ń tẹ̀lé, ó sọ fún Joshua pé ṣe gírí ṣe bí ọkùnrin ni Joshua tẹ́lẹ̀, ṣùgbọ́n ó mọ̀ ní àkókò yẹn láti fún ní ohun akin, tí mo dẹ̀ fi ìwọ náà gẹ́gẹ́ bí justice seeker tó ń wò pé a gbọ́dọ̀ rí justice yìí. Mo fẹ́ kó ronú ara ẹ wò pé níbo ló ń lọ, ká dẹ̀ mọ̀ bí tí a focus lórí ọ̀rọ̀ justice for Mohbad. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n sọ̀rọ̀ nípa CTC ti corona tó jáde. Agbẹjọ́rò mi jẹ́ kí n mọ̀ wípé lẹ́yìn tí a ti ṣe corona tán, ìwádìí sì tún tẹ̀síwájú gẹ́gẹ́ bí òfin orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà. So tí ìwádìí báyìí ń tẹ̀síwájú, òun ló fà á money. Ìdájọ́ kan tó ṣe gbòógì nìyẹn. Ibẹ̀ ló ti mọ̀ wípé àṣẹ yìí lẹ lọ́mọ, àṣẹ ọmọ ilé ló kú. DNA àkọ́kọ́ nìyẹn nínú Bíbélì. Ohun tí àwa náà fẹ́ mú jáde rèé, ṣé ọmọ tí Mohbad fi sílẹ̀ sáyé ni àbí ìdàkejì? Wọ́n mò ń rọ̀ wá ká lè wé àwẹ̀ mọ́ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ ọmọ yìí torí online. Tí ẹ bá wò mí dáadáa, èmi máa ń sọ eré ọmọ ni mo jí fi òwúrọ̀ mi ṣe. Mo jẹ́ ẹni tó like ọmọdé gan. So kì í ṣe fún nǹkan míì, kákọ̀ lè fi múlẹ̀ wípé ọmọ olóògbé rẹ̀ kò dẹ̀ ń ṣe nǹkan tí à ń postpone ní tó bá dọjọ́ iwájú. Ní àkókò yìí náà ni a máa ṣe. Ìyẹn lórí ọ̀rọ̀ DNA. So mi ò ní àkókò láti gba ìbéèrè rárá, ṣùgbọ́n èmi máa rọ ìránṣẹ́ yìí bí wọ́n wà lórí line pẹ̀lú mi láti pé kí wọ́n sọ àwọn ohun tí mo sọ ní Yorùbá yìí láti translate ẹ̀ sí English, kó jẹ́ English version, láti pé kó lè yí ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ pé bàbá Mohbad o, mi ò lérí sí ẹnikẹ́ni o, mi ò bẹ́nikẹ́ni jà o, mò ń sọ eléyìí kẹ́ lè mọ bí ọkàn mi ṣe rí. Mo dẹ̀ ń sọ eléyìí kí ìrẹ́pọ̀ kó lè wà láàrin wa, torí ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ wọ́n ti ń lo opportunity of pé bóyá nǹkan kan ń ṣẹlẹ̀ láàrin wa, bóyá àwọn kankan ń ṣẹlẹ̀ tí wọ́n lè true yẹn láti wọnú justice sticker. So èmi náà wá pé ká fọkàn balẹ̀ gẹ́gẹ́ bí ọ̀rọ̀ tí agbẹjọ́rò yẹn tó sọ fún mi, pé kí oníkálukú wa ká mọ̀ wípé kì í ṣe gbogbo aṣọ kọ́ là ń sá lóòrùn, kì í ṣe gbogbo tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ni mo lè wá máa sọ́ńtà, torí ìgbà tí mi ò sọ́ńtà àti pé tí ẹ̀rí mi ta, mo tún wá ṣèlérí fún yín ní àkókò yìí mi ì ní jẹ́ kó pẹ́ láti máa fún yín ní update lórí bí ó ṣe ń lọ. Torí ìránṣẹ́kùnrin kan ló máa ń ṣe advert ẹ̀ nínú TikTok náà mo ti máa ń rí. Tí ìránṣẹ́ yẹn máa ń sọ ni pé ní ìgbà tí kó má jẹ oúnjẹ ọ̀tá, nígbà tó rẹ̀ kọ̀ tí ò sóúnjẹ, ó níbi tóun dẹ̀ wá lọ ń sìn, wọ́n ti bu ráìsì fóun, wọ́n tún ní kóun wá mu Pepsi tútù ń bẹ̀, tẹ̀pọ̀ náà ló máa lọ gbọ́. So tí èèyàn náà bá gbọ́ ohun tó yẹ kó gbọ́ láàrin wa, ó ṣeé ṣe kó lọ máa gbọ́ àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tí kò yẹ. So mo kàn ń fi eléyìí, mo fi ń rọ gbogbo àwa justice seeker pé ká fi ọkàn balẹ̀ fún ìránṣẹ́ tí Ọlọ́run lò fún wa, ìyẹn ti Sam Chitu, kó máa gbé wa débi tó dáa. So ibi tí mo ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ ni pé àtẹ̀jíṣẹ́ èyí tí ọ̀rẹ́ mi Bukky Jesse tí wọ́n gbé jáde, ó jẹun tí mi ò nífẹ̀ẹ́ sí, mi ò dẹ̀ bá wọn wí púpọ̀ náà, bí kò ṣe pé wọn ò mọ bó ṣe ń lọ. Bó dẹ̀ ṣe ń lọ yìí, tó bá pè mí one on one, màá ṣàlàyé díẹ̀ fún wọn pé ibi tí ọ̀rọ̀ dé dúró rèé o, Lagos State lórí corona wọn ò tí ì dá wa lóhùn ni o, wọ́n sọ pé ìwádìí ń tẹ̀síwájú. Àwọn ló ṣèlérí yẹn fún wa, dẹ̀ ní ká fọkàn balẹ̀ so tèmi náà ń gbẹnu Lagos State sọ̀rọ̀ báyìí pé ká fọkàn balẹ̀ lórúkọ Jésù àárí justice tí à ń wá yẹn a ó débi tí a fẹ́ dé lágbára Ọlọ́run so lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí ẹ jẹ́ kí n wo ẹni tó lè bá wa ṣe ògbùfọ̀ yìí sí òyìnbó ọba arọ́wà ń bẹ̀ mọ̀mí kọ́fì so mi ìmọ̀ àwọn tó bá wa bẹ̀rẹ̀ mo kàn fẹ́ ká interpret àwọn tó ṣe kókó ń bẹ̀ kí àwọn èèyàn lè mọ̀ wípé bàbá Mohbad o kò bẹ́ẹ̀ nìkan bínú o so gbogbo wa náà ni mo rọ̀ tí mo dẹ̀ ń ṣe fi àkókò yìí sọ fún wa wípé ká fi pẹ̀lẹ́kùtù ká fi farabalẹ̀ láti gbọ́ ohun tí agbẹjọ́rò mi ń sọ fún gbogbo wa torí pé kò ń ṣe social media person bóyá ó lè wá sí sórí bíbá yìí láti wá máa bá wa sọ̀rọ̀ so ìyẹn ni mo mú wá fún ti ìrọ̀lẹ́ yìí ní kíákíá so mo sọ ṣáájú mi ò ní gba ìbéèrè láàyè ó kọ̀ wù mí pé kí n gbé ẹnìkan sókè láti interpret àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tí mo sọ so ẹnikẹ́ni tó bá dẹ̀ ń wá láti béèrè ọ̀ tó fẹ́ sọ nípa agbẹjọ́rò mi kírú ẹni yẹn kó béèrè lọ́wọ́ mi dáadáa torí èmi mò ń gbẹnu sọ pé ohun tí èmi rí ẹ̀yin ò rí ìwọ̀n bá tí mo lè sọ fún yín náà ni mo sọ fún yín so iṣẹ́ lọ lórí justice for Mohbad àdúró àdẹ̀ṣe torí wípé Mohbad nìkan à ń ṣe torí gbogbo youth Nàìjíríà lápapọ̀ mo dẹ̀ fi àkókò yìí kí ẹbí Sanko ìránṣẹ́kùnrin adẹ́nipòṣ fún àwọn òbí rẹ̀ wípé kán gbẹ́kẹ̀lé Ọlọ́run kò sí ọ̀rọ̀ tí ẹnikẹ́ni lè sọ tó lè tù wọ́n nínú àfi tó bá sọ̀rọ̀ ìtùnú fúnra wọn Ọlọ́run nínú àánú rẹ̀ tó lè sọ̀rọ̀ ìtùnú yẹn á wọnú ayé wọn láti bá wọn sọ̀rọ̀ ìtùnú torí ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ni mò ń rí níta lórí ìránṣẹ́ yẹn tí ò dẹ̀ yé tí ò yẹ lòmíì ò gbé ohun tí yóò bá dẹ̀ mọ̀ ó yẹ kí èèyàn pẹnu mọ́ ẹ sọ pé ọ̀rọ̀ yóò ṣoògùn owó ni ó yóò ṣe gbá ni ẹ jẹ́ ká ṣọ́ra lóhun tí a bá ń sọ torí ìgbàgbọ́ ẹlòmíì kò rí ìyanu rí kò dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé ọmọ kan lè wà ẹ̀zẹ̀ in that level kí ló tí ì ní tó yẹ kán sọ̀rọ̀ tùnú fáwọn òbí ẹ̀ negative ní ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ tó ń sọ ẹ jẹ́ ká ṣọ́ra tóun tó bá ń tẹnu wa jáde mo gbàdúrà fún wa pé wọn ò ní fi kó ọmọ ṣèwárọ̀ o Ọlọ́run nínú àánú ẹ̀ á tu àwọn òbí ọmọ yẹn nínú o so gẹ́gẹ́ bí mo yẹ sọ pé mi ò fẹ́ entertain ìbéèrè rárá kò ní jẹ́ kí n lè tẹ́ much lórí live yìí torí ohun tí mo fẹ́ ṣe lálàyé náà ni mo ti ṣe lálàyé yẹn so almost 1,000 people. I mean, big coffee so kò jẹ́ kí n bá sọ̀rọ̀. Coffee. Coffee. Coffee star.
No, Sunday, wait,
Okay, couple of the followers. Okay, not play on image. Thank you. Yeah.